Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, karibu sana, and please feel free to subscribe. Also press the notification button down below so once I upload a video you'll be notified. Today we will be cooking french fries the Winnfrey's kitchen way, so let's go. Okay, these are the ingredients. We have the french fries. You have to cut it according to how you will feel itakushibisha. We have the vinegar, turmeric, paprika, salt, and of course oil. So what I'll do, I'll just mix vinegar, turmeric and paprika, and then I'll let it infuse the flavor and also the salt, sorry. So what I'll do, I'll put the vinegar. I'll put the turmeric. And the paprika. And the salt. And then mix it together. So once you're done, please let it rest for a few, like 30 minutes, so that it can infuse. But the best way to do this, you can do this and let it rest for like 3 to 4 hours so that it can infuse so well. But since I'm doing the cooking right now, so I just have to do it for like 30 minutes. So I have my sufuria and I'm going to put my oil because you're going to deep fry the fries. I think that's enough, and wait for the oil to heat up. So our oil is ready, and if you want to know if the oil is ready, you take your anything that you have any wooden spoon or your miko, and then you put it inside the oil. If you see that bubbling, then the oil is ready. So we will put our fries. So let it cook and let it be. I like my fries very, very crunchy and crispy. The first batch is ready. Yeah. So this is the second batch that I'm cooking. So guys, the second batch is ready, and we have to, as you can see, it has an amazing color. And our fries are ready. And they look so beautiful. Yeah, so guys, this is the end product. And with fries, you can eat with anything. You can eat this zikiwa peke yake, or you can do it with chicken, you can do it with pork. as in you can eat with whatever you feel like eating. Bora the food balance ikuwe na protein, because this is starch. So yeah, this is it for today. So thank you for supporting me, and please subscribe if you're new, and also hit the notification button so that once I upload a video you'll be able to be notified. Thank you. Bye.